Most people think they have a money problem, but what they really have is a behavior problem. So today, I want to show you the simple mindset shift that quietly separates people who build wealth from people who stay stuck. It's the idea of micro-money momentum. Here's the truth nobody teaches. Your financial life doesn't change because you suddenly make more money. It changes the moment you start making tiny, consistent decisions that stack on each other. And the crazy part? Your brain is wired to ignore these small wins, even though they're the only thing that actually creates long-term wealth. Think about the last time you tried to fix your finances. Maybe you tried budgeting, cutting spending, or saving more, but after a few days it felt pointless, so you quit. Why? Because your brain couldn't see the progress. There was no immediate payoff. Micro-money momentum flips that. Instead of chasing a big transformation, you focus on one tiny improvement each day. Moving $5 to savings, paying $10 extra toward debt, lowering one subscription, choosing one smarter purchase. These decisions feel too small to matter until you look back months later and realize they completely rewired your financial life. The key is that every tiny action sends a psychological signal. I'm someone who takes control of my money. And once your identity shifts, your habits follow automatically. If you want to build wealth, stop waiting for the perfect moment or a big raise. Start creating micro-momentum today. Pick one small action you can repeat daily with zero friction. Build the identity first, and the money follows. This is how beginners go from overwhelmed and stuck to confident, consistent, and in control. It's not magic, it's momentum, and you can start it right now.